We've got our shrimp. Our shrimp and grits.
I'm Lazarus Lynch. I'm on a journey to discover the most delicious Southern food traditions on Comfort Nation. In the low country of South Carolina, chefs and farmers are working closely to bring back unique crops that were once thought to be lost. Today, we're on Edisto Island to explore the 6th-generation lineage of Geechie Boy Mill and Farms with farmer and restaurateur Greg Johnsman. And we'll cook up a classic low country shrimp and grits with local renowned chef, Miss Emily. Low country cuisine is the cooking traditionally associated with the South Carolina lowlands and Georgia coast. Rice and grits, which are coarsely ground corn kernels, are 2 hallmarks of the cuisine and are both grown here by Greg and his wife. Their yellow Guinea flint grits, once nearly extinct, are gaining national renown thanks to Greg's hard work and dedication.
We met in college and just kind of passion collided of just wanting to continue agriculture, and it just, what better to go backwards instead of forward.
I'm curious about some of the crops that you're preserving, specifically the yellow Guinea flint.
It doesn't fit a mold, and I don't know if I'll ever find that distinctive another variety again. To taste it, it will blow you away. Right before harvest, it smells like a field of popcorn.
It sounds like this all takes a lot of people and a lot of work to do, so I'm really excited to see the mill.
At the Geechie Boy Mill, Greg grinds heritage corn into grits and hulls Carolina gold rice using vintage equipment to preserve both history and flavor. His rare products are sought out by award-winning chefs nationwide and can be ordered online.
The cornmeal has this texture and flavor almost like a stuffing. It's very full-bodied. It's not what you'd expect. And then the grits are going to be almost a risotto style.
When I think about Charleston and when I think about the South, really, low country food, I think about shrimp and grits.
Well, you're at the right place.
And I know you've got some grits.
We do. Being a farmer and being a miller, I can help you on that, but I have brought the absolute best people for you to work with, to learn how to make low country shrimp and grits. You got your way of cooking shrimp and grits.
I do.
Miss Emily make it, you don't mess with her way of cooking.
You don't mess with her.
That's it. That's as good as it gets.
Even though Greg cooks shrimp and grits in his restaurant, he insists we try the version cooked by local Edisto Island legend, Miss Emily.
Miss Emily, I'm so excited to meet you. Greg has told me a lot of good things about your shrimp and grits.
Very good.
So I brought you over some of his Geechie Boy Mill stone ground grits.
Now what you want me to do? You want me to cook? You want me to cook you some?
I was hoping you would cook me some,
Okay.
and I'm down to help you. So you just put me to work.
Okay.
Okay? So who taught you how to cook?
I learned how to cook from my grandmama. I cook by my brain and my imagination. I can't cook by the cookbook.
For her gravy base, Miss Emily sautés onion in bacon fat before making a roux.
This is really the key part, right?
Yeah. You know what to do? Bring me some water.
Some water.
In that bowl.
Okay. Cold water?
Come on, I'm ready. Pour it in.
Pour it in.
More.
More. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm trying to keep up with you. You're moving faster than me. That gravy looks good. Can I dip a spoon in there and taste it?
No.
Please.
Some grits are cooked in milk, but Miss Emily prefers to cook hers in water. They take about 30 to 45 minutes to cook. While they're simmering, Miss Emily gets ready to sauté the shrimp in butter.
I'm just amazed at how much energy you have at 85, and you're still cooking. And you looking younger than 30.
And I'm going to 100.
She adds the shrimp to the gravy and knows the grits are ready when fluffy.
Let's see.
Where is Greg? Greg should have been in there to help me cook.
Greg thinks that you are the better cook, and he thinks he should stay his behind in the mill. That's what he told me. We're not the only ones hungry. We've got some more people to feed.
Greg's family and Miss Emily's daughter join us for her famous shrimp and grits, back porch style.
I was most impressed, Greg, by the grits, which I thought would take hours and hours and hours to cook, and she managed to do it in like no time.
I know, she makes it look a little too easy.
But we should all eat.
Yeah.
Let's feast.
Gravy.
A little more gravy.
As a miller, as a farmer, I mean, what I want to accomplish is a base for you to get all the tastes coming together. Imagine all of us here today have a chance of eating what generation before us or 2 generations before us got to eat. That's the exciting part, is understanding why to save this, the flavor profiles
Right.
and all.
Well, I have to tell you, I've never had grits like this. And it's the simplest recipe in the world. Water and grits.
But you got to start with good grit.
You gotta start with good grits. Miss Emily, what makes good grits?
Gravy.
And she licked her spoon afterward. I love it. I love it. Cheers, everyone.
Thank you.
To good cooking.
Cheers.
Hey food fans, hungry for more? Make sure you subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you next time.